Greetings, this is Bruce from HotWebIdeas.net, and in this video I'm showing you an introduction to LinkedIn groups. Now this is just an introduction because creating and maintaining a LinkedIn group is a whole nother story, and we will have another video tutorial series just on LinkedIn groups. So right now I just want to give you the introduction. In the nav bar you go to interest and then groups. At the top you will see all of your LinkedIn groups, or at least the last 6, as you've ordered it in your LinkedIn order screen. Now if you join or create LinkedIn groups, you can change this order. So you click on the settings icon and you can drag the names of the groups to however you want. Now since I manage a couple of LinkedIn groups, I like to have mine on the top. But let's say I wanted Consultants We Are to be in the top. I can just click this button. It automatically shows at the top, and click Save Changes. And when I go back to Interest Groups, the order changes. But let's actually create a new LinkedIn group. So on the right sidebar, look for the button that says Create a Group. And we're just going to create a very quick one. So you have to agree to the terms and conditions of the logo that you upload. Let's just create this one called Test Group for this video. And anybody can join. Now the group type, you have a couple of options. For this one, I'm just going to say a professional group. You want a quick summary and then a longer description. So I'm just going to say this group is for anybody who would like to learn more about LinkedIn groups. And then you can give a full description. So I'll just enter, if you would like to know more about LinkedIn groups, this group is for you. We offer this video on starting a LinkedIn group and maintaining it. Well, we're not going to really maintain it in this video, but I'm just giving you an introduction. You can have a website if you want, so I'll just put the full website, put your address, and then you can create settings for whatever the access is. Now, if it's auto join, that means anybody can join and you won't have to approve it. Now, you are the owner and manager of this group. But let's say you want to monitor who's going to join. So now you monitor the request to join, and then they have to be approved by you. You can also enter a few email domains about how people, if their email addresses are from those domains, like gmail.com, which I wouldn't suggest doing, you can just put in gmail.com. Well, let's not do that. Okay, now this group, if this is based in your city or state or country, you can actually collect this, and then you can actually select your particular country. And if you want to do a nice Twitter announcement, you can do that. And you have to agree to the terms. Now, we want to go back up to one thing. Let's add a quick logo. So I click choose a file, and I will find the file that I want. I'll just take the Hot Web Ideas logo for now. And that is it. Now you can actually create 2 types of groups. An open group, that means that your group is visible to the public, even though they might not be able to join or post. Or you can just make your group messages available to just the members only. So I'm just going to say members only for now. But it's actually open so people can join. And I can, at this moment, offer people to join, just by my connections. So if I type in my connection, I could just type in anybody. I'll just say J, and it just starts going right down the list. I could just select a person. I won't send the invitation, but when I'm ready to send the invitation, now I can just go ahead and type and keep on going, and it just fills up. The limit as of this moment is 50 people. So you can invite up to 50 people, but that might change. And when you're ready to send the invitations, just click the button. I'll just say skip this step. Now at this point, you can make your group really good, really nice, and you can add a hero image. But I'm going to save this for the LinkedIn group course. Now the other thing I want to show you is how to join a LinkedIn group. So go back to interests and groups, and you can actually click the button that says find a group and type in a keyword. So maybe you're a life coach. Let's just type in life coach. Click the button, and it will show you all the coaching groups that you can join. And right away, you can just click the join button. Some groups let you join right away if they have auto join set up, or others have to approve you. Let's try another one. Let's say you're a chef. Right now, you could just join any chef group you want. Now make sure one thing, that you can actually select different things that you want to search. So I would definitely say groups. Just make sure it's checked. I can join the chef network. I can view it. That means if I view it, that means it's an open group. I can see what's going on, but I can't join it. At least from that list. But I can click the join button here. So that is an introduction to groups on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.